In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top right of your Yahoo Mail and you want to click on your profile icon. From here, click on Manage Your Account, which is going to take you into your account settings. Now, inside here, when you come here, you may be prompted to sign in again, so just do it using your credentials. And then by default on the account page, if you don't have 2FA enabled already, you're going to be able to see here, it's going to say turn on two-step verification. If it doesn't say this, just go to security over here on the left and click on where it says two-step verification off. So whenever you click on this, you'll be able to see you have like a bunch of different options, and for this one I'm actually going to use Authenticator app, but of course you can use whatever you want. I'm going to go with this one right now, and then when you do this, it's going to basically prompt you to scan this with your Authenticator app. So I'm actually going to use my Google Authenticator for this, but of course you can use literally whatever you want. So I'm just going to scan this QR code on my screen right now just to show you how to set this up. There we go. I've actually scanned the code, and now when I've done this, it's already got added onto my list inside my Authenticator. So I'm just going to hit the next button over here, and there we go. You have to check your app for the code. So for me, it's actually going to be this one right now. Let me type this in to confirm this. You're going to have to open the Authenticator and confirm it, hit the next button, and that's really all you have to do. It's going to say that it's verified. There we go. As you can see, you can double check your info, and if it's good, you can then just go ahead and proceed. Okay, so it says it works best when your info is up to date. Double check it. For me, it actually is fine over here, and you need two verified contact details. So you're going to have to click on add contact info, and then you need either another email or a phone. So I'm actually going to put another email in here. I'm going to hit the email and then next, and I'm actually going to put on one of my emails over here, just like this, and I'm going to put this as the second verificator over here. And now it's going to prompt me to actually put in the code which I received to that specific email address, which I'm going to go ahead and see right now. There we go. I have the code. Again, I'm going to copy it, paste it in here, hit this next button. It's going to be the same with the phone number. And there we go. As you can see, I've added this. I can now hit this next button, and you'll see that my 2FA is now turned on. Okay, so I'm going to click on done, and that's really all you have to do. It now says on, which means everything is working perfectly. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.